What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete images in your Higgsfield AI account. So let's say you've generated a bunch of videos, images, and you don't want them to show you, or you just want to keep it clean so that you can just generate whatever you want. All you have to do is go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right of any image, and you will see the option to delete at the bottom. Click on delete. Then from here, click on delete forever, and it's gone. Another way how to find these is by clicking on assets on the upper right. You will find it, asset library. And so within your asset library, you will find a ton of different things. But for you to find the ones that you actually want to remove, which is from here, you can find them here and you can just click three dots and you can hit delete as well. There are a ton of different things normally show up. So you can always go ahead and remove them if you don't want these to show up, right? So anything you don't want, you can remove them, and that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.